Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to unlock selection pane in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. At first we have to open a Word document. Then we go to the home menu and click select option. Then choose selection pane. Now we can see here we opened the selection pane. Then we click the I button to unlock the selection pane. And we can see here we unlock the shape. Then unlock the heart shape. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.